Hello everyone, Pedro here, bringing you one new Tilta-Gravity product. And this is a very key product. If you followed the line of videos I made about the Tilta-Gravity, you know I did some reviews on it, and I also did some testing on it where because of the extending telescoping arms and the 33-pound rated payload of this gimbal, we were very keen on trying out some like Alexas and Amiras, some very much bigger payloads and camera setups. And you can refer back to my video and you see my results. And the connecting theme was that it actually did fit with some tilt limitations, but it actually can handle an Alexa, and it can handle an Amira with the zoom, and so on and so forth. The downside was that I never did get the pan balanced. Now, we have our Pro Dovetail line of dovetails that we make for the Movi, the Ronin, and also the Tilta. And the Pro Dovetail is a counterweight system, and part of this system is a pan counterweight mount, so that you can mount counterweights to the pan. And the only way, in the case of the Tilta, because for the Ronin we have a pan extension, right? The only way you're going to get the pan balance with the much heavier payload is going to be by mounting counterweights. So this is why we came out with the pan counterweight mount, and it's a very simple setup. It's a series of 3/8 threaded holes that accepts the counterweights that we offer for our whole line of counterweight systems, which is a 1-inch counterweight and a 2-inch counterweight, stainless steel. And they are male threaded and female threaded, so they connect to each other, sort of like Legos. But what you're going to be able to do, since these are threaded in a variety of fashions, is you will be able to fit, a number of different variety. You could put side by side, and then you could fit a third one right there, and so on and so forth. And then you can even add more from the top. But basically, once you add your counterweight, and if you run out of space, remember you can still attach one to the other like this, and say you need more weight, and you'll have room to attach. You go 2 rows down. Anyways, there is very simple installation. It's just double-sided tape, industrial 3M, same that you'll find on your GoPro stuff, and it just sticks right onto the pan motor right there, and then there you go. And that provides you with weight to allow you to, because as you see here, my pan adjustment is fully maxed out. The only other way to then balance the pan, since you can't move this further back, is to add weight. So the first way you could do this is by adding our counterweights. The other thing we are doing, which will be coming out very shortly, is a battery plate for a V-mount or a Anton Bauer Gold mount that will attach directly to this pan counterweight mount, and then you can actually use that counterweight as a power source for your camera. Now, of course, you have the gimbal battery here, but it's got to power all the motors. You may be running some accessories off of. Having a full-on camera battery just for the camera is a huge advantage, and it'll be providing you the counterweight that you do need to balance such a heavy setup that I have tested in the past. Now, of course, I'll be doing some further testing and sharing those results with you, but you'll find that if you do own a Tilta-Gravity, it's probably why you're watching this, you will already know that you will frequently be close to or maxed out in this adjustment. And so by adding and by using our pan counterweight mount and adding counterweights, you will then be able to add the counterweight you need to get the perfect balance you need to get the best results out of your gimbal. So I'm very excited about this. I'm very excited to continue to explore the limits of the Tilta-Gravity. It's a very exciting new gimbal, and feel free to share some of your setups with me on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram and see what our other customers are doing with their Tilta-Gravities. And check out all the other gimbal products we make. We're coming out with a full line of vehicle mounts and stabilizers and all sorts of other great stuff that we offer on our website, the Ready Rig, of course, and our Pro Ring system. Anyways, check us out online. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. And if you have any questions, let me know at sales@cinnamil.com, or you can try giving us a call during business hours. The number's on our website and cinnamil.com. So anyways, thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.